I'm an athlete my whole life. Basketball, football, I was a pole vaulter in track, tennis, golf. So then you lose that, it's bad. Within 15 years, my knees just deteriorated. I took off running for our puppy and snapped. I just felt a snap in my knee and I just went down in the street, in the asphalt. So I went to a doctor to have a cortisone lidocaine shot. They said, oh, sure, I'll do that. So I've had shots I didn't realize it after I had surgery. I had shots for like 4 years. And every 3 months, every 90 days. And I'd be there on the spot. The last shot wore off really quickly, which I now know that that's what happens. And so I knew I needed to have my knees replaced, and it seemed, patently logical to me to have both knees done at once so that I could exercise them both at the same time. I was walking the same day. I walked 200 or 300 feet the next day, and on and on. Thanks to my wife, she pushed me, and the home health people were ridiculously tough. But the point is you got to keep going and you can't lay down and quit. And I didn't want to lay down and quit, and that's why I went and did this. This is my knee, and it fits perfectly. And it's going to allow me to dance and play golf the rest of my life.